girl. Today we're gonna do a what's in my refrigerator. If you're new to my channel and you were just channel surfing, girl, I like to say to you, hey boo. Here I am, arms wide open. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey boo. There's a miracle in this room with my name on it. There's a breakthrough, it's got my name on it. What's in my fridge? Let's see. We got some bread and some crab salad, some peppers, water. We got some beef sausage, you know, just a little bit. We got some avocado and cilantro mix. Good sauce. We got some Taco Bell. What else we got? We got some jelly. We got some mayonnaise. I used to use Miracle Whip. Grew up on Miracle Whip. Was with this guy and I switched to Hellmann's. And then we got a little applesauce back there. We got some Jell-O. The kids love them some Jell-O. So we got Jell-O. We got rice pudding. I don't eat rice pudding, but they like the rice pudding. Then you know we got some cheese. Gotta have some cheese. We black. Black folks love cheese. Then we got some eggs. We got some good old eggs. And we got some coffee. Little Stokes. We got some 2% milk. I like almond milk, but they don't have it at Walmart. And I don't really like the Silk. I like the off-brand. Am I weird? So anyway, we got some 2% milk, some orange juice, Tropicana, the best orange juice on the planet. Take my word for it. So we got some coffee creamer, because y'all know I'm a coffee girl. We got this kind. This kind, horrible. Horrible. Don't get it. Pistachio, don't get it. Then we got some grape juice, 100%. Got to have you some juice. Ooh, we got a cabbage. Gotta make that cabbage today. Then we got some BA Splash that somebody thought it was a good idea to put a sip back in here. Oh, these kids. We got some grits that I gotta put in a plastic bag. So we'll take this. Oh, we got some yogurt, Greek yogurt, and some pickles. Pickles. We got us some sharp cheese over here, some string cheese. That chicken, them chicken wings, baby, I'm cooking that today. That's going down today. So what we got piled up over here? Probably some stuff. Oh, gotta have you a couple waters in there. Get hydration. So we got some yogurt, some biscuits, little barbecue sauce, some butter. Unsalted butter is the way to go, especially if you have high blood pressure. I'm trying to help you out, sis. Then we got some biscuits. That's some butter. I did have the butter rack thing right here. I closed the refrigerator with it open and it broke. So we got some bread right here. Oh, yeah, bread, bagels. Gotta have some bread. It's good. Bread is good for you. So we got some more biscuits. We got some, what is this called? Garlic. We got some garlic. That's some taco sauce I just threw there. What we got here? Now I told her to bring this and put it in the refrigerator. What she do? It's, look, 2 in there. Why you just ain't take it out the pack and sit it up there with everything else? So, we got some yogurt, not Go-Gurt. This is the bootleg kind. This is the bootleg. Okay. We got some Miss Butterworth. We got some duck sauce for that good old oxtail. We got an onion. We gotta have an onion. And then, girl, this is a new bottle. I ain't even opened it yet. I'm enjoying spaghetti noodles, some more yogurt. We got a little ginger in here. It's a little dry. I think I gotta throw that out. Some jerk seasoning, some more barbecue sauce. You can never have enough. We got some jelly that we got on the clearance. We got it on the clearance. But it's okay. It's good anyway. And then we got some A1 sauce. We got some chocolate syrup. And then we come down here. We got some mustard, some French toast pancakes. We got some, gotta have your sauces for your salad, some dressing. We got that. We got the big bottle, got the wishbone. So all of the dressings are down here. Then we got some onions. Got to have onions. I'm an onion girl. I cook everything with onions. So that is what's in my refrigerator. What's in yours, girl? A real regular refrigerator. Yep. Bread thrown right up here. So, this is what's in my refrigerator. Okay. Now we got the freezer. Girl, look, I got a deep freezer, but I can't, look, it doubles as a storage. So I just don't want to take everything off of there. But what we got right here, something I probably need to cook. We got some steak right there. That's my little pack. I got to make sure I keep that. We got us some mega bowls. We got some rallies and checker fries. We got pizza. Gotta have me some ice. Now, sometimes I be wanting a cold drink, and I just beat them bought it. So, then we got some cookies, some townhomes cookies. We got some waffles. We got the cinnamon waffles. We got the regular waffles. You know, they think they gotta have a choice. We got some fish. There's some tilapia. And what we got? Some nuggets. We got some skillet meals. Yep, y'all see that? 3 cheese chicken. Then we got, this is the best sausage right here. It's upside down, but it be okay. If you watching my channel, girl, you already know you got to stay with me. So we got some Delia sausages. I'm probably not pronouncing that right. I can't read upside down, but they got the jumbo sausages. They got some of everything. We got some vegetables back there. Got us some good old broccoli. Then we got some cauliflower right here. We got some more broccoli right here. We got us a little ground beef. Gotta have some ground beef. Now it's one. It's only one left. I'm saving it for when they leave. It's garlic bread. Look, don't judge me. So that is what's in my freezer. I know you can't see everything. What's back there? Some more stuff. What is this? Oh, we got some hash browns. And we got some more fish. Oh, as a matter of fact, those are scrimps. Those are scrimps. So, I try to keep a bunch of food in here for the girls. Just so they can have some variety. So that's what's in here. Come on. Let's go over to the cabinet. Not so nosy. Let's go. Okay, so up here, I keep my seasonings up here. Some of everything. We got some honey, garlic, pepper, soul food seasoning. We got the chicken bouillon, El Pollo Loco. We got a few little beans back there. I'm not a real bean girl like that, but we got a couple beans. We got some Pam. You know, you might not want to use butter. You might not want to use grease. So you kind of just, you know. Now look, I don't know how your shelf is organized, but baby, we just make it work. And this is how it's working. These just some candles. I ain't got nowhere to put them. So up here, we got some hot sauce. We got some vanilla wafers. The real one, girl, not the bootleg one like my mama used to buy. We got cinnamon toast crunch bars. We got Cheerio bars. Those are my breakfast bars. We got some applesauce here. We got cereal. I put it in a bag. And this go down here. This some Old Bay, baby. You got to have some Old Bay when you cooking. You got to have some. Yeah, some Adobe. What else we got? Girl, we got cough medicine over there. That's supposed to be in the other place over the stove. But you know what? I need to move my stuff from over the stove because somebody commented and said it's not good to have your medicine over the stove. So, right here, we got some ground ginger. We got some Italian seasoning, and I'm guessing that this is the top. This. There we go. We got some Slap Your Mama. Make sure you have some Slap Your Mama now. We got some tea. I got from Marshall's. We got some Tony's. Tony's, you got to put it on everything. You got to put it on everything. We got peanut butter. Got to have peanut butter. Okay? Little Brags. You know, bless your system out. Little Brags. Make sure you keep you some, okay? Okay, I need to straighten this shelf out, but it's like canned goods. Sometimes when the kids sit here, they fall, so you just kind of get what you get. We got some granola. That's some string beans, corn, some more flour. We got some brownie mix. We got us some Orville popcorn. Did y'all know that my brother's middle name is Orville? My mama was going through some things. Don't judge her. Don't judge her. We got some rice-a-roni. We got the grits for the baby girl. We got oatmeal. Girl, now if you black, you better have some salmon. That's all I'm saying. Don't make me come over your house and check, because I will. So, we got some sauce. Girl, look at that sauce. You got to have you some sauce. Some Prego. You want to whip some stuff up. We got some cornbread. We got some men where, you know, the days you don't really want to cook. You just want to do just enough to make sure they full. You know, since they got to eat every day. Who thought of kids eating every day? Then got my ketchup right here. Now, ladies, I need y'all to tell me, what is it that y'all do? Are y'all ketchup in the refrigerator or ketchup on the counter? On the counter, in the cabinet, what y'all do? Because I'm an outside the refrigerator ketchup. I don't like cold ketchup. We got some Pop-Tarts here. Some more hot sauce. Got to have you some hot sauce, okay? Then we got the Maxwell House. You gotta have Maxwell House. You gotta have some coffee. Now, if you ain't a coffee girl, I'm sorry. And then, girl, look. This is Townhouse. I grew up on Ritz, but Townhouse is the way to go. If you ain't got Townhouse crackers, what are you doing with your life? That's all I want to know. We got a box of chips, because these kids just want to, oh, Nana, could you bring me some chips? Nana, I don't want that kind. I want this kind. Look, y'all better make this kind work, because that's what you got. That's what you got. You got you some Fritos, you got you some puffs, some sour cream, you got a little barbecue, little sour cream, little chili Fritos. Now, those are mine. Now, when it comes to the chili Fritos, I take all of them out the box. I think it's only 3. Ooh, I'll be mad when they open the box before I do. But anyway, let's stay focused. So we got some regular cheese nachos, and then over here, we got some more tea. We got some more cereal. This is some grease. And this right here is cereal. Look, I gotta make sure my babies eat. So look, babies, if you made it all the way to the end, baby, go ahead and consider subscribing. As a matter of fact, don't consider it. Just do it. Just do it. Just put your finger on the button and push, push, push. I like to say thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.
You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, phony kisses. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? Hey, truck to the plane, to the